Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best running shoes that combine comfort, support, and real-world performance, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner, a daily jogger, or training for your next race, I've got a pick here that'll fit your stride. In this video, I've ranked the top 5 running shoes that actually deliver no marketing fluff, just real comfort, cushioning, and value where it counts. From high-mileage favorites to daily trainers, each one's been tested and compared side by side. And of course, I saved my favorite for last. Trust me, the #1 spot is something special. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense gear guides that actually help you choose smarter. Let's get started kicking things off with number 5. Number 5. Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 41. Let's kick things off with a name that's been trusted by runners for decades. The Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 41. Known for its dependable ride and versatility, the latest version brings noticeable upgrades that make it one of the most well-rounded daily trainers out there. Nike packed the Pegasus 41 with their ReactX foam in the midsole, and if you've never tried it, here's the deal. It's lighter, more responsive, and offers significantly better energy return than its predecessor. The dual Zoom Air units in the forefoot and heel provide a soft but snappy feel during takeoff and landings, which is great whether you're hitting intervals or just cruising on your daily 5K. The engineered mesh upper is breathable and adaptive, with just the right amount of stretch. Lockdown in the midfoot feels secure, especially with the improved flywire integration. And the heel collar is padded enough to eliminate hot spots without feeling bulky. Outsole-wise, the Pegasus 41 uses a full-length rubber pattern with a waffle-inspired grip that handles wet pavement, light trails, and treadmills like a champ. Durability is a strong point here. This shoe will easily last 300-400 miles of regular running. Fit is true to size, and the toe box offers more space than earlier Pegasus versions, which is a huge plus for wider feet or long runs when swelling can kick in. Who's it for? Runners looking for an everyday trainer that handles just about everything from easy miles to tempo sessions. It's especially great for those who want a reliable shoe that doesn't need a break-in period. Bottom line, the Pegasus 41 isn't flashy, but it nails the fundamentals. Smooth transitions, responsive cushioning, and comfort mile after mile. It's no surprise this shoe keeps showing up on best of lists year after year. Number 4. Adidas Ultraboost 1. Coming in at number 4 is a true icon, the Adidas Ultraboost 1. While it first made waves as a stylish running shoe years ago, this updated version isn't just about looks. It's back with its OG silhouette, but now tuned for serious comfort, support, and all-day wear whether you're running or just living life on the move. At the heart of the Ultraboost is Adidas' legendary Boost midsole foam. It delivers a plush, energetic feel underfoot that absorbs impact and returns energy with every stride. What makes the one special is how balanced it feels. Not too soft, not too firm. You get great cushioning for longer runs, but it still feels stable enough for quick errands or casual walks. The Prime Knit upper remains one of its best features. It wraps around your foot like a sock, providing adaptive support and breathability. It stretches in the right places, but still locks you in where it counts. The knit also looks sleek, making the Ultraboost 1 a crossover pick between performance gear and lifestyle wear. Underneath, the Continental rubber outsole adds serious grip wet roads, gym floors, or city sidewalks. It holds up impressively. And with the torsion system embedded between the heel and forefoot, transitions feel smooth and snappy. Fit runs true to size for most runners, though the sock-like upper gives it a slightly snug feel at first. but it molds to your foot after a few wears. Heel lockdown is solid, and the midfoot cage provides extra structure without being restrictive. Who's it for? Runners and everyday wearers who want comfort, style, and performance in one shoe. If you value cushion, support, and a versatile design, this one's a no-brainer. Bottom line, the Ultraboost one proves that performance and lifestyle don't have to be separate. It's cushioned, durable, and sleek, a timeless pick that delivers comfort on the run and beyond. Number 3. Asics Gel-Kayano 31. Next up is the Asics Gel-Kayano 31, a legendary stability trainer that's been reworked for an even smoother, more cushioned ride. It's made for runners who want structure without stiffness and comfort without compromise. Whether you're tackling daily miles or building back up post-injury, this shoe keeps your stride on track and your legs feeling fresh. The midsole combines FF Blast plus Eco cushioning with rear foot Pure Gel technology, offering a ride that's soft yet responsive. That means shock absorption on landing and spring on toe off, exactly what you want for long runs or recovery days. What really makes the Kayano 31 shine is Asics' 4D guidance system. It subtly supports your foot throughout the gait cycle without ever feeling intrusive. If you overpronate or need gentle guidance, this system provides stability without locking you in. The engineered mesh upper is breathable, flexible, and constructed with recycled content, perfect for runners who care about sustainability. It hugs the foot just right, while the internal heel counter keeps your foot anchored during movement. The fit is generous, especially for wider feet, and the padded tongue and collar enhance all-around comfort. Durability is top tier too. The outsole features AHAR rubber for long-lasting grip on both roads and treadmills. If you're logging high mileage, this shoe is ready to keep up. Who's it for? Runners seeking reliable stability and plush cushioning. Perfect for overpronators or anyone needing extra support without bulk. Bottom line, the Gel-Kayano 31 delivers high-mileage comfort and adaptive support in a package that's built to last. Like what you see so far? Hit that like button and subscribe. More no BS running gear reviews are on the way. Number 2. New Balance Fresh Foam X 1080 V14. If you're looking for the ultimate blend of softness, structure, and everyday performance, the New Balance Fresh Foam X 1000 and 80 V14 makes a strong case for itself. This isn't just a running shoe, it's a daily training powerhouse, built to handle long miles, recovery runs, and even some casual tempo days with ease. Let's start with the cushioning. The Fresh Foam X midsole is the star of the show, offering a plush yet responsive ride. It softens your landings without feeling unstable, which makes it ideal for runners who want protection without sacrificing energy return. The updated rocker profile also helps roll your foot forward naturally, reducing fatigue over long distances and giving each step a smooth transition. Upper comfort is another win here. New Balance uses an engineered mesh with zonal support. It's breathable, adapts well to foot shape, and doesn't overheat. The internal booty hugs the midfoot comfortably, while still allowing enough stretch in the toe box. Whether you're out for a 10K or just walking around town, the fit feels dialed in and secure. Underfoot, the outsole combines blown rubber with strategic cutouts, improving flexibility and durability while shaving off excess weight. Traction holds up well on pavement and light trails, making it a versatile choice for real-world conditions. At around 9.2 ounces, it feels balanced, not too heavy, not too light. And for runners who log serious mileage each week, that consistency in comfort matters more than you'd think. Who's it for? Runners seeking a neutral daily trainer with premium cushioning and a plush, consistent ride. Bottom line, The 1080 V14 nails the comfort-performance ratio. If you want a shoe that cushions the grind without holding you back, this one earns its spot near the top of any serious runner's list. And finally, my number one pick, Brooks Ghost 16. Topping the list is the Brooks Ghost 16, a daily trainer that's all about balance, reliability, and comfort for runners of all levels. Whether you're clocking in daily miles, gearing up for a half marathon, or simply looking for a shoe that feels right the second you put it on, the Ghost 16 delivers across the board. The heart of this shoe is Brooks's DNA Loft V3 midsole, now infused with nitrogen for a softer, more adaptive ride. It cushions every step without feeling mushy, making it perfect for long runs, recovery days, and anything in between. The new midsole is lighter and more responsive than previous versions, offering smoother transitions from heel to toe, thanks to Brooks' segmented crash pad system. The upper features an engineered mesh that's more breathable and structured, providing an improved lockdown without pressure points. The tongue and collar are generously padded, offering a plush feel around the ankle ideal for runners who need comfort mile after mile. The outsole retains the traditional blown rubber setup with strategically placed grooves that enhance flexibility and grip. It performs well on wet or dry pavement, and the durability holds up for hundreds of miles. Weighing in around 9.5 ounces, it's neither featherlight nor bulky, striking a sweet spot that neutral runners will appreciate. What really makes the Ghost 16 shine is its versatility. It's forgiving enough for beginners, but consistent and smooth enough for veterans. This is the type of shoe that disappears on your feet in the best possible way. No hot spots, no surprises, just steady, predictable performance, day in and day out. Who's it for? Runners who want a neutral, cushioned workhorse for all-around training, recovery runs, and long-haul comfort. Bottom line, the Brooks Ghost 16 continues to be one of the most dependable daily trainers you can buy. If you want comfort, durability, and a smooth ride in one go-to pair, this is it. And that wraps up my countdown of the best running shoes you can get this year. Whether you're chasing daily mileage, training for your next big race, or just need a reliable all-around trainer, this list proves there's a perfect fit for every kind of runner. From the balanced performance of the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 41 to the cushioned versatility of the Brooks Ghost 16, every shoe here was picked with real-world comfort and durability in mind. So which one's your top pick? Drop it in the comments I read and reply to everyone. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe, and tap the bell. More sharp, honest running gear reviews are on the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.